guys, so back to the vlog. As you can see, we are at Xanadu Beach Resort. This is going to be our home for the next couple of days here. Just to let you know though, it is exactly 6:02 in the evening, but as you notice, there's still sun, you know, it hasn't set yet. What I'll just do is I'll flick the camera over so you'll be able to see what the shoreline looks like here in front of our hotel and just experience the breeze. Okay, so as far as I know, there's a pathway over there. There's another shoreline that's hidden, so that's why people go across. But technically, this part of the beach is a various shoreline with different facets of it. So this part of where we are is where it's a bit quiet. People can just go ahead and sunbathing. Over across this pathway is Samae Beach. The reason why it's called Samae Beach is because there were 3 different choices, as I said. And that one is full of restaurants and, you know, parties and all that. Right after that, there's another one. I just forgot what it's called, but that's where you have all of your activities. Perhaps I'll be able to just snip a couple of photos there if ever we go across, but it is kind of loud over there, and we mostly enjoy just being, you know, here at peace, just listening to the waves and having a very cool breeze. That's what it is. Okay, so just to sum up this vlog, this is Xanadu Beach Resort, beachfront. I highly recommend this if you just really want to have a very chill day on the beach, not much people and not much noise. So we'll just enjoy the rest of the evening, perhaps have a beer or two and see what the nightlife looks like on the other side. But I have pretty much the guests that will just stay here and just order out. Okay, so see you guys in the next vlog. Good morning. So we are now here on our day two here in Coral Island, Larn here in Thailand. So we're just going to have our breakfast. So we're going to go to the dining area and see what we have for breakfast. I'll just flick the camera over. So just going into the dining area, as you see, we have a very nice beachfront, so the breeze is really good. Those are the people that are staying in our hotel as well. So we're actually going to see what we are going to get. So I do know it's going to be an all breakfast, depends on what you would like. So as you can see, those are where the refreshments are, and then we can just go ahead and order whatever we like for the morning. Now, while I am going to wait, I think my husband is just going to choose what we're going to get for this morning. I'll let you guys see what the beach is at this time of the morning. It is 8:45. The thing weird around here is even though it's almost 9 o'clock, it feels like though it's still about 7 o'clock in the morning because the breeze is really quite, you know, not really quite hot. It is cool. So as you can see, the water is very green. And it's still fairly quiet. Click the camera. So I think that sums up my quick video for our day 2 here at Coral Island, Larn in Xanadu Beach Resort. I'll just go back to our seats on the table and see what my husband chose for our breakfast. See you soon and see you in the next coming. Okay, so we already had our change of attire. So we're now going to have our first swim here at Xanadu Beach Resort. It's a very cool breeze, and we really recommend that you go here. The waves are really not so cold, just the perfect temperature. Oh my definitely the best way to end a very tiring and humid hot day. See you guys in the next vlog.